Today, you and I are gonna talk about my film setup. Welcome to my crib. Let me show you around the place. But before we do, let's talk about this week's taco. So, if you guys remember the box from last week, I had you pick what you thought was inside it. And if you guessed a taco pillow, you got it correct. We have this cute little taco pillow to join us today. So this is my setup. This is where I usually set up videos, but I'm just gonna show you how I do get ready and set up for the videos, and it's really simple. First, I try to find all my taco related items around my room to put behind on the couch. Then I take my table and I usually put it over there because I sit on the ground and that's where I place my taco. Then I get my lights and I face them towards me because it's pretty dark in my room. Then I get my tripod, place it right in the middle, and then we just need to put the camera right there. Then it's lights, camera, action! And this is what you guys see most of the time. Hey guys, welcome back to another Talk About It Tuesdays. I'm your host, Jordyn. The secret has been revealed. Now it's time for this week's hit for next week's taco. I have a little joke for you. I'm on a seafood diet. When I see food, I eat it. Hilarious. But which kind of seafood taco do you think I'm gonna eat next week? A shrimp taco, a lobster taco, an octopus taco, or a fish taco? Pick in the poll. What do you think? I had so much fun hanging out with you. See you next week. Bye!